Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycourse.com. We have here a mansion that was recently reduced in price. It was reduced by US 80,000 or Jamaican $12.3 million. Welcome to Jamaica land we love, and more specific to Tripoli Estate, Runaway Bay, St. Anne. This large, four-story, unfinished, 17,000 square feet resort villa or family residence spans over 37,000 square feet of land. The property has 9 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, living, dining, kitchen, laundry, utility room, basement, double-car garage, large wraparound balconies, magnificent views of the Runaway Bay area and the ocean. It is within proximity to all amenities, including beaches, hotels, and golf course. It is close to Jewel Runaway Bay, FDR, and Eaton Hall. This is a great investment opportunity. The area has good market value and the trends upward over the years. Call your real estate dealer to discuss this property in further details. The owner is very motivated to sell. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 490,000 or Jamaican $75.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.